This is for one of the craziest cars I've ever worked on, and the project has to come out perfect. Damn!
How long did you have this before you took it in to do all the turbo stuff?
I've owned the car now for like 9 months. I've only had it for like 2 months of ownership.
Damn.
Like, it's been gone for 6 months.
We're gonna do some work on that car, not that one, that one. Hey, what's up? I'm Chris from FlyRyde.com. I gotta make these things for Mickey and I don't wanna do anything crazy, just a straight strip, like a nice simple little board, like this little dude from Corsomotion. I'm gonna modify one of these things up, attach everything in a nice straight row, stick it in there and we're gonna see how it looks. So when I was here last time, we did the projector swap, but we left this completely unplugged because Mickey really hated the high beam, the yellowish look. I'm just gonna swap in these crazy bulbs from VLED right now, and it should be super bright. Way brighter, brighter, brighter. Check this out. That is a bee trying to sting me. So Mickey said that his high beams have been super bright, but that one wasn't even on. So now that guy is doubled up. All we did last time was we just left this thing disconnected. Look at this bee. He just wants to get me. I'm gonna punch you in the fish, you little bastard. Okay, those two little dudes are disconnected, if you can see my finger. And they have the factory connector right here that has been left off. So all I have to do is put the two little tabs right in right there, twist the cap off the back, mount that H1 bulb, and we'll be looking good. All right, well, that was interesting. As slim a profile as they are on this car, it's a teeny tiny car, so it's a little bit different than typical. These headlights have to be pulled off so that the back caps, that we can make rubber boots for everything. But as it is right now, the only thing I have left to do is take this and plug it in to that, and I'm stupid and I want to do it with one hand just because it's right. Boom, got him. Cool, so I think that's it. Let's check. Typically when I check to see if high beams are on, I just park a turbocharged C8, you know, just check it that way. Dang, that is insanity. That is such a weird housing, bro. I'm just excited that it's sealed with butyl like the headlight. Well, luckily this one came out easy, but that one's got a strip bolt, so.
There's a chance I might be doing away with these and I can just pass them off to Ricky or something.
I honestly feel like this car is just gonna keep getting picked up in popularity.
It is. You can find these. There was one that popped up on Yahoo Facebook group today for $8 grand. There's
wow.
only like 30,000 miles on it.
Wow.
You should buy that instead.
Nice, that's perfect.
So now we can just pull a lens off. I can put a pair of pliers on the bolt. Hopefully it'll just pop out.
So this little dude right here, it can actually kind of open, and it's just got a tiny little screw back here. So that's what's in the far corner over there. Hopefully we can get that out. Yet again, I sit by while Mickey does the work. Pop the little tabs or something. Yeah, buddy. That's tight. That was it. How to remove your front bumper lights. Jack the car up. Well, this thing's certainly come a long way. Dang. Wow, that is a lot of chrome. Interesting. Good job, good hustle. All right, see you guys. All right, so we're gonna go do something very different. I'm gonna go test drive a Mazda 3, actually a Speed 3, because this little guy, if I can, is gonna go from a sedan to a turbocharged hatch. Let's see what it looks like. I'll be honest with you, I was totally crushed. I saw this car, it was the biggest piece of crap ever, and I felt bad for myself, but then I remembered, my dude hooked me up. He sent me to get the AC fixed on this Mazda 3 project, which turned into this whole bigger thing, and now we're gonna be doing a lot of videos, and eventually, if I'm patient, if I believe, it's gonna turn into a Speed 3. So, let's talk more about these sequential strips. There's a couple things that I could have used, but I chose not to, because I thought that this style right here would actually have the best coverage. I thought that it would be the absolute brightest, and Mickey really liked the color of orange. There was also the option to go with something like this that I could put a little domed lens on. We're gonna do videos on all of this stuff. But for now, I'm out of time. I gotta get back down to Throtl and make the other set there. But I'm also gonna bring some bulbs for my dude Ricky too, so that we can have both of these cappuccinos hooked up.
Check out this lens on the right that Mickey polished up. It looks brand new. There's something special about being able to just throw a bunch of stuff in your car, drive down to your buddy's shop, and make something out of nothing. If you want to see more of this stuff, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification so you don't miss out, and watch me build these custom sequential lights for my dude Mickey. We looked at a couple different options, but the Pew Pew won the day. All the animations failed to the Pew Pew. I love it.
Throw the LED bulbs in there.
Oh,
as
you
well.
got bulbs that go in here?
I got all sorts of stuff.
You're a G, bro.
So this, we just took the lens off, and that is a little 1156 bulb, but it's dirty, so Mickey wants to clean the inside of that. I am gonna put the LED bulb in the other side that he just cleaned up, and we've got our load resistor chilling, ready to go. So these should be a lot brighter, but very weird that this thing has like a whole lens that has to come off before you change the bulb. We did do the turn signals on the back of both and on the front of both, but unlike this one that just has the little FlyRyde bulbs, Mickey got the Pew Pew. That's so dope. So these things run really low voltage, so we can actually crank up the output on these by using a couple different setups, like a different resistor on these boards. I think it'll be cool either way. I think it's super dope. Very cool. Awesome seeing these two cars side by side like this. We'll have lots more videos of this type of stuff as I work with all these different new Corsomotion parts. I'm gonna show you how to do it. And if you really want to learn and get super nerded out, I'm gonna be using this microscope from Andenstar and showing you how I connect all the little circuits on there so that you can do it as well. If you want access to that, I'm gonna add a link to the description. You could sign up. It's a free course. It's just for the nerds in us that I can't just bore everybody else with. I'll see you on some of the new Mazda videos I have coming up. And next time I visit Throtl, I will absolutely take you with me. See ya.